First of all, I am thankful to the association to give me opportunity to speak in this occasion. Basically, my topic is productivity through immunotherapy. You must have heard of immunomodulation, immune suppression. And what is immunotherapy? It starts from very first day and goes right up to culling of the bird or marketing of the bird. With this is very modern approach. I am working on this since last 27 years, and some of the findings I am going to share with you people, and which will be very alarming and challenging for you. As our friend Mr. Suresh Chetri, he told that biosecurity is prime thing, we should invest on that, very good. Same thing is with this. Immunotherapy costs only 1 rupees per week per bird, average. Whether it is breeder, whether it is layer, whether it is broiler. But what you are going to achieve is sometimes even 10 rupees per week you are getting extra. Moreover, as our friend Mr. Chatri, he told about the diseases. He spoke about antibiotic use also, judiciously. But why we should invite any disease to the farm which is going to create problem, including HPI, LPI or ND, whatever is there. In recent past, we were suffering with LPI, HPI, and very recently in Rampur district of UP, HPI has been declared. Now the thing is this, you get billions of rupees loss because of that, and whatever you are doing, it is being taught by Western culture. With immunotherapy, it is whatever I am giving, it is indigenous research over the period which has been done, and you can see. Once we are supporting our immunity system or vaccination system with the immunomodulators, because once there is a disease, we are doing any vaccination, stress will be there. With the stress, acute phase protein won't be available in the body. So at 7th day, you can see the titers are 0.5, 0.5. In both the group, first, second, it is IBD and this is ND. But at 56th day, you can see there is a change of 50% titers are better because we supported the flock with immunomodulators. The moment we vaccinated, immediately after 2 hours of vaccination through water, we gave immunomodulation. So this is there. Then you can see here, it is maintained throughout. Titers were maintained throughout. Moreover, if you see total serum protein at 7 days, what it was, at 56 days, what is this? Then you can see 7th day, what was the serum, total serum protein in ND flocks also, where we challenged them, and you can see what was at 77 day. Then serum albumin is also on higher side at 7 days when we saw it was almost same, and 56 there is a tremendous difference. Then I will give you a very good example. Challenge bird, when we challenge bird with IBD titers, so 100% bird survived where we supported our immunization with vaccine, immunomodulators. But in control flock, 75% survived. Same thing is when we challenge it with ND. 100% birds survived. There can be morbidity, but there won't be a loss. But what happened? 80% birds survived. Then, this is a very recent trial being done at IPMT. You can see T0 is the control group. In control group, you can see what is the bacterial colony level. And T1, T2, T3, T4, it is on immunomodulation. But T5, it is on immunomodulation, but no vaccine at any stage will be given. So you can see what immunomodulation can make to your bird. Once you are giving immunotherapy, this kind of results you can get. You are investing. This T0 is been given antibiotic. You can see, in spite of giving antibiotic, this is the load. And where we did immunotherapy, there is hardly any load. Then hemoglobin. Everybody talks of chicken anemia, chicken anemia. Once you are doing immunotherapy, there is no threat of this also. T0, you can see hemoglobin is how much. And in T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, which are the test blocks, you can see the hemoglobin is on much higher side. Then I come to the what was the outcome. This is little bit of technical part I have shown. Now, what was the outcome? You can see the hen house production is almost same as been prescribed by breeder companies. But what we are getting, but hatching egg, you can see it is better than the even prescribed data. Then this is another data. In this also you can see that on the bottom 201 is the we have got hen house against 197, and hatching egg is 197 with immunomodulation. This is nothing. Khadkeshwara hatcheries data, and they have authorized us to use, and you can see the difference. Okay, then this is another flock. You can see the summary. Then it is another flock. You can see the summary. So you get almost 188 plus hatching eggs when you are doing immunotherapy. Similarly, this is again a breeder flock. In this also you can see what is the difference. Now I come to layer part. Why doing immunotherapy? Companies are telling now you have to keep 100 weeks. You can keep these birds 100 weeks, and 100 weeks everybody is claiming 75% production or so. But the basic fact is this: if you are not getting +2, +3% production till 50 weeks of age, 60 weeks of age, 70 weeks of age, so you cannot get this type of results at 100 weeks. And as our friend Mr. Suresh, he told, now I can show you a very small thing. Up to 18th week when you are brooding, in this particular case you can see against 5.6 kg of standard, 4.6 kg feed was consumed by bird, 1 kg feed per bird was saved. And it works out to be almost 16 rupees 30 paisa per bird. Then another flock, you can see here also, it is like that. So, in this particular case, you can see the chick weight, how it is maintained, it came stressed bird. So, you can see here the flock is underweight, but here we have, and exactly at 18th week, when we got at 15th week first egg, but by 18th week we were having 2010 eggs in this particular flock. Now I come to another flock. In this 0.9 gram feed is been almost 900 gram feed is been saved. Now it works out to be again 19 rupees per bird, extra profit. By spending 8 rupees per bird, he has got 19 rupees extra only in brooding time. Same thing here also, bird was underweight because of the stress condition, because bird was stopped at Haridwar because of Kanwadiya's movement, and then it came, when it came it was under stress. Then You can see this particular Sureshji, this belongs to your data. What is been done here, once bird came to 10% of production, we introduced extra protein to the flock by nanoproteins and microproteins. Our product is Redimune was given, and you can see the difference. This is having 45% production, and this is having 99% production. 45, and this test group is having 99% production. Just imagine, in 20 weeks we achieved. So if you are giving in modern bird, you are giving extra protein on set of lay, or by the time it reaches to 10% production, you are bound to get better productivity throughout the life. Then I am showing you this. Now everybody says once the bird this is winters, this is summer, okay, bird will be behaving like it is past. Now you can see in north, this is peak of the winter. Okay, bird is doing very well. And here there was a complete electricity fail. And in spite of that, you can see bird again come to the plus production. So once you are doing immunotherapy, bird can get momentary stress, but it will recover, it is proved. Another flock, here also you can see, same flock, you can see what is the production going on. Just see the difference. This is the standard, this is we are getting. So this type of production, if you are getting at 77 weeks, that definitely you are bound to get in 100 weeks more than 70. In our trials, we kept bird up to, we were keeping bird, and in 162 weeks, without molting, we were getting 85-86% production. Luckily, there was this COVID outbreak, and bird was deprived of feed. Then they got automatically molted. Once it got molted, we decided to keep it. And we kept it up to 272 weeks, and in 272 weeks, we were getting 83% production. You can see what immunotherapy can do. Then this is another flock. You can see here also. So same way, here also, this is peak of the winters, and we are getting plus production. Okay, then this is old days, again we are getting peak production. And this is peak of the summers, we are getting better production. So telling that it is winters, it is summer, immunotherapy, once you are doing it effectively, you can ignore. Now you can see in this particular case also, same thing is there, peak of winters is there, and we are on plus side, here also on plus side. So this is what happening. And you can see the production, how it is maintained throughout the life. Then broiler also, what we have achieved, this is the FCR. You can well imagine a FCR of 1.333 by immunotherapy, and it is there. For 2.5 kg, this is the FCR. It is still on overside, I will say, because the farmer, it is open house. In EC house, we are achieving less than 1.2 for 2.5 kg now with immunotherapy. Okay, so you can see how much he has made out of using immunotherapy. Then, and one thing is more, in this particular case, at 8th day, he had LPI. On 9th day, it was checked by doing immunomodulation immediately, because immunotherapy was going on. By using product Intermune, immediately it was checked in 24 hours. And the growth you will be seeing that later. Now, if this is another flock, you can see the FCR, 1.096 for 2 kgs of body weight. And it is guaranteed once you are doing immunotherapy. Then this is LP. This will be having, it is video.
Video?
this video. You can see it is same flock which had on 8th day LPI. Now you can see same flock. This is again video. This is at 20th day. This is the weight. And it is not small flock. It is about 5,000 birds. Okay. Then again I will show you another thing. It belongs to same flocks. Just see the uniformity. Each bird is having same growth. Okay. Then this is again video. Third day. Third day of life. This is there. Now fourth day of life. Just see. What immunotherapy and immunomodulator can do. This is live example. In 24 hours we checked it only by immunomodulation. No antibiotic, nothing. If you go to a doctor, he will write a prescription which is costing not less than 1 to 2 rupees per check. Here the expenditure was not even 2 paisa per bird. So we are periodically doing testing of our eggs. The farms who are on our immunomodulation program, we are collecting egg and testing them. And we are testing through FICCI lab, which is most reliable laboratory at the moment. And in this you can see the here aerobic plates less than 10, Enterobacter less than 10, Salmonella absent, and Listeria is absent. Means our egg is 100% ready for export. You can get the quality, nobody in the world can reject it. Once you are doing immunotherapy, this is another flock. It is from Khadkeshwar HCs only. Okay, so this is another flock. In this also you can see. So likewise, we keep on tracking our farmers also, whether they are using any antibiotic or not, we avoid that also. You can see. So these are some of the products which has been used for immunotherapy and immunomodulation, and we do give guarantee that 1:3 will be the return. I spoke last year in PFI meeting also, I declared it. If you get even 2 rupees 90 paisa, we will be refunding you 10 paisa. This type of guarantee, if anybody gives in the world, you use their product. But in our company, we don't want to unnecessarily stress bird, which is bread and butter of our farmers and ours also. So this is that. Thank you.